Hi friends, hope you're doing well, and this video is going to be very important. Watch this video till end because every step is very important, and subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it yet. So in this video I will guide you how you can install a batch free server and network monitoring tool onto the Windows. Most of the time we install monitoring tool or server network monitoring tool over the Linux, and we generally face thousands of errors. But finally I have found a very good batch free network and server monitoring tool that can be installed onto the Windows, not onto the Linux. So that's a good news. So let's start the installation. The tool name is Cacti. So you can install it. Every step is very important. Keep remember that. Don't skip this video because every step is very important. You may face different types of bugs if you skip any step of this video. So first of all, you have to go into the Chrome browser, then type Cacti, Cacti network monitoring, and keep remember that if you are watching me, you will observe that I'm using Mozilla browser. Why I'm not using the Chrome browser? Because sometimes downloading exe file creates problem with the Chrome browser, and despite of multiple clicks onto the download button, it will not work. So I faced this problem in two PCs, so that is the reason I am using the Mozilla browser. So kindly use the Mozilla browser in order to avoid any inconvenience. After that, you need to go scroll down it. You will have a Kikti website. Just click on it. Once you click it, you will have a info. Just click onto the info, and here you will have a download button, and after that you need to scroll down it, and then you will have a Windows variant. You need to click here, and once you click here, downloading will be started instantly. It would take around uh, 10 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed. So once it is downloaded, I will back and I will show you the proper installation method through which you can successfully install the Kitty on your computer and integrate with your network and servers. So it has been downloaded. Now we need to navigate inside the download folder, and we have to run the exe file. Once we run the exe file, we will have a setup visit, and obviously we need to hit next, but some very important steps ahead that is to be done. So watch this video carefully. Run anyway, and after that you will have a visit. Next, agree, next. It will install all these services inside your computer, and it will detect any services if it is available. Let's say it will install Apache database, and it will manage each and everything by their self. Let's say if we are performing the installation onto the Linux, so obviously for each uh, step we need to execute the command. Like if we want to install the Apache, obviously we need to execute the command, but in Windows we have a beautiful thing is that it will be installed automatically. Next, Apache. Yep, we will go for the Apache. Next, I use default settings. Keep default settings as it is. Next, and you need to choose the drive. So I request you to create a folder inside the C drive before installing that. And you need to go inside the C drive and just create one folder inside the C drive. Give the name Cacti. Some people says Cacti, some people says Cacti, Cacti. So the pronunciation is different. So let's create a Cacti folder. And once we create it, then we have to navigate the respective folder. It is very important because if we go for the default C drive, it will create a mess. A lot of files will be appear into the C drive, and it will be very difficult for you to manage the Cacti. So it is very important step. And just you need to click onto the Cacti and okay, and then next. Install. And it will take around 4 to 5 minutes, not more than that. And once it is done, I will be back. Now the installation has been done, and we have to click onto the next, and then we have to uncheck this and finish. You will see that let me open this. So you can see that we have onto the desktop, we have Cacti icon. So just you need to double click on it, and you will see uh, let's now you can start onto the Chrome. So you will see this type of some sort of errors over here. So basically these are not the errors, basically these are the proper guidelines, and that needs to be followed properly, and it is very important. So first of all, you need to check the time zone. You need to set the time zone in which country you are living right now. So you need to set the time zone, and it is very important in order to get the proper results from the server and routers. So just click onto the time zone entries, and let's say uh, in my case it would be Asia, and so you can see that we have login sign in as well. But before doing that, I will let you know the password, how you can obtain the default password. And but first of all, you have to check the time zone. So you need to check the time zone. Let's say in my case, this one is the time zone. Copy, and after that, you need to go inside the folder. Let's click onto the folder, and this folder is basically um, inside the Cacti and then PHP. And once you click onto the PHP, then you have to find the PHP file, this one. So double click on it, and it will give you option. Then you need to select the notepad, and but most of the time you will get direct options. Here you have to search it, time zone. Now you have to replace this. Mm, Paste here, and then save it. Once it is saved, then just close it, and that's it. And after that, you need to go inside the download folder where you had downloaded the exe file. So you will notice that there would be a Cacti password. Means once you start the installation, this Cacti random password file will automatically create it inside the download folder. So you will get it automatically. So no need to do anything. After that, you need to double click on it, and the password of Cacti, this, and this would be a random password. Later on you can change it. So initially it generates random password for the first time. So you need to copy this. Now come on to the Cacti, localhost/Cacti. This is the URL. You can see that, and it will perform the installation. Admin, and then paste here, keep sign in, login. So it will give you initial page of installation. Now it is analyzing. So select default theme, modern, and obviously English language would be English. Accept, begin, and after that you need to hit next. Just you need to hit next. Uh, don't take serious these errors. No need to worry about that. You will get a step ahead when we go for the installation, and we will fix it. Next, next, and you can see that all the permissions are clear. So as discussed, that this is the error basically. So we need to edit this file. So we need to edit this path, and it is basically inside the Cacti. So you have to enter here Cacti, because we had created a folder of Cacti slash, and then hit next. So you can see that now we are good to go. Next, every step is important. Keep this. That is the reason I was saying that you have to watch this video till end, because you will create a mess. And now I have read the statement. Next, and then you are good to go. Here you need to enter your network address. Let's say in my case it would be 10. 192.168.10.0/24. Keep remember that you need to enter 0./24. So if you are a network engineer, you know it. What I'm saying, that we are talking about entire network. Hit next, and hit next, and finally hit next. Confirm, and installation will be started. So it would take around 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Once it is done, I will back. So it is done, and now you need to get started, and you will see that finally you have successfully installed the Cacti or Cacti. Now we need to add the device. If you want to, we can create the graph, but obviously in this video we are discussing about the installation of Cacti, and I will add one router. And similarly, you can install the SNMP in Windows Server. Just you need to go inside the uh, Windows Server Manager, and there would be an option of SNMP, and you can install it, and just you can connect your server as well. And in this video, we are particularly talk about the Cacti installation, and I will add one device in front of you. And if you need more detailed video inside the Cacti, that how we can analyze entire network, all the servers, so you have to mention in the comment section. I will create a separate video, and I will give you complete idea that how you can uh, uh, monitor entire network, all the servers and all the network devices on your computer. So if you need this video, you can mention in the comment section, and if I get more than 10 comments, I will create a separate video on that as well. So in this video, we have successfully installed the Cacti. You can see that, and I will show you that how you can add the one network device onto the Cacti. So you need to click onto the add new device, and obviously you need to activate the uh, MikroTik router of I'm going to connect the MikroTik router. You can connect the Cisco router as well, like by setting the SNMP-server and community and like Cisco configuration command. The persons who are the network engineer, I think they are understanding what I'm saying. And here we are installing the MikroTik router because currently I have MikroTik router in my network. So I'm going to uh, enable the SNMP. Basically, SNMP is already enabled and it is connected with the Library NMS. It is another monitoring tool. I've already created a video onto the Library NMS tool. You can check out my channel as well. It is also a very powerful tool, and we installed that tool onto the Linux. So now we need to click onto the new device, and after that we need to give the name like MikroTik router, and after that we need to give the address of LAN. So, but it will not add because we need to add the IP address of this server onto the MikroTik router because an SNMP will not respond to this server. So give me 1 second. Let me open my MikroTik router. So I have opened my MikroTik router and let me show you. So here we have the SNMP settings and it is already enabled. And this is my Library NMS IP because generally we are monitoring our devices onto the Library NMS, and we installed Cacti on Windows device. So our Windows device IP is 66. So that's it. And SNMP version 2C. You can SNMP basically trap version is SNMP version. So okay, and once you apply okay, then we need to go inside the Cacti and just we need to SNMP uptype, and you can see that version 2 everything is good. Just we need to create it. So you can see that the operation has been successfully performed, and just we need to go onto the manage and click onto the devices. So you can see that MikroTik router has been set up successfully, and it is showing availability 100%, and rest of the parameters it will bring over here after 30 to 45 minutes because it will gather the logs and then it will display you. So this is all about the video onto the Cacti, and it is the one of the fantastic tool, and it is mostly used by the ISPs and bigger organizations because it is very reliable tool. You can install onto the Linux, also you can install onto the Windows. So it is the one of the fantastic tool. You can use it, and if you need more detailed video that how we can create a graph, how we can analyze the things, how we can fully operational the Cacti in our network, so mention in the comment section. If I get more than 10 comments, I will create a separate video on that. I have installed the video. I have installed the Cacti onto the Windows, and I have added the device successfully. You can see that, and after the 40 to 30 to 45 minutes, it will get all the parameters for you over here. Similarly, you can configure the server as well, Windows machine as well. Just you need to go inside the uh, Windows Server Manager, and just you need to install the SNMP, and if you put the IP address over here, your server will be configured over here and you can monitor it. So if you need more depth video, mention in the comment section, I will create it. So this is all about the Cacti. It is the one of the fantastic tool. You can use it and you can avail the benefit, and it is absolutely free, and it's a great tool because it is available for the Windows as well. So if you are the Windows user, that's a good news for you. Thank you so much, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and stay safe. Bye bye.